starting over again, or design RSVP page with Lovable here. And for that I think of any social cause, right? So we have one cause for say donating to a particular animal charity, right? So we need RSVP page for that, right? So to do that, I can say design a landing page, RSVP cause for animal charity, right? And add the animation and the edits to the page like this, which should suit the RSVP page's narrative, and it looks like a call to action, right? So we are focusing on trying to make social cause RSVP page with call to action, right? We should use as less credits as possible to design this, right? If you want, you can use any other AI, make use of lesser amount of queries being thrown at, right? This will also reduce the amount of tokens that you have, right? So in my case I have like 2.2, still good enough, but I want to reduce this to say use as low as 1.5 at the max. I don't want to consume all 2 in this, right? So what I will do, I can use Grok or DeepSeek or even ChatGPT, get the queries reduced to, and also we can mention about the specific areas being covered within that particular design, right? So I'm going to update the query on that part. Okay, so I edited the query to something like simple event RSVP page with single column layout, then input with animated placeholders, then animation to on submission, so that it will not consume any form of loading time related animation. So simple animation once submitted, right? No need for database or cloud. Make it a sync storage and single page landing page, single landing page or single page landing page, whichever way you want to say. Now we should use as less credits are as possible in this particular case, right? So what I will do is I will basically just get this query sent, right? So that should start on the design. Okay, so as you can see here, this particular query is being sent. It is thinking, hopefully it will execute the further query. Okay, so design approach is there: high contrast, black white page with vibrant accent, floating label, minimalist sophisticated layout, confetti submission, and then local storage. Okay, so query is there. Okay, one more thing: form validation, RSVP list, confetti, animation, and there is form as well. So all of the features as we expected from the design are there. Hopefully it will use less amount of credits from now on, right? So we'll wait for it to finish the design. Okay, so as you can see, it has managed to use 1.1 credits, and remaining we have for play, right? So it has finished the design. I can hide this sidebar. Now you can see RSVP page. You are invited to place, time, then form. You have name, address, number of guests, and dietary restriction. There is confirm attendance option. Can open this in the new tab so that we can actually test how it is working, right? So we can use, right, number of guests 3, and let's see if we can actually say something like and attendance. There is definitely the form submission animation is there, and also the buzzing storage. So I can actually look at the storage locally. So if we inspect and we actually check network, then we can see memory, and let's see if I have any other application storage. Currently not much of that is consumed. Local storage not being accessed. Okay, so there is one. So if we try and check this by inspecting the elements, and if we go to application part, then storage, and then local storage, and then click on this particular URL, you will find the data that we just processed through form will be visible here, right? So name, email, guests, and dietary restrictions, that part we just posted through form is being recorded here. So this is session based, so it will be removed once the session is over. There is also index.db, so we are not making use of this, neither we are using any extension storage, right? So these are the extensions, right? So you can see no external storage being used. We used the in-browser storage to take the data. This way you can reduce all those browser errors, and data will temporarily remain within the browser as well, right? So this one's basically RSVP page designed with Lovable.